I really should title this video, Hoarders episode number 1. I said it. I admit it. I am going to come forth with an admission of guilt. Number 1, I am guilty of loving home decor. 2, I am guilty of loving to shop. Number 3, I am guilty of wanting to decorate my house all the time. And number 4, I am guilty because I love all of you and I love to share my passions with you. But let's face it, my passions have gotten a little out of control, which leads me to the next point in my conversation, which is I've got to do something about this passion of mine and quick. So over the weekend, I walked into my storage room. I could barely get through the walkway, stuff everywhere. And I looked around and I said, Liz, this is a little out of control. You know, I talked to myself and I stood there and I said, Liz, we can't continue on like this. There's not enough space in these 2 rooms for your hoarding habit. I said it. So rather than doing a decorating video today, I thought we could hang out and I could set aside decor pieces and make several different piles. I think it will help me get through it. You know what I mean? I'm just saying. So my goal is to take a lot of this to a consignment store. And I know there are a few in town. I'm gonna go to my favorite one first. And they are saying that the consignor will receive 50% of the final selling price. Price is based on research of your merchandise. Well, that's not a problem because I leave all the tags on all my decor. So they will see what I bought that for and there's no fudging on the price, and I would never do that anyway. So they're taking into consideration the condition, age, brand, and customer demand. Because it's summer, I'm gonna see if I can go in there and pull all my summer items that I no longer want and put that in the first pile, and that will be the first thing I take there. They only allow 15 items each time. What lies behind these doors is what I like to refer to as organized and unorganized home decor chaos. All right, here we go. It's a mess. I know, it's a mess. There's no way I'm taking you guys in here because it's just a mess and I'm embarrassed, okay? I'm embarrassed, but we're gonna go into fast motion here. I'm ready. I've got to do this because it has to be done. And so I'm just gonna go in there, first sight, and pick a few things and bring them out. Now, right off the bat, I'm getting rid of the beach stuff first. So this huge beach picture, that's going. This is going. This is going. This is going. Let me go get some more. Beach life, that's going. The surfboard. Welcome to the beach. And this too. This Virginia Beach sign and this seaside sign. Everything you see here is in excellent condition, so I shouldn't have a problem with it. I want to get rid of this nautical piece and this really cute home sign. I bought it, I haven't used it in 2 years, so why am I holding on to it? Into other signs that I just want to get rid of. I bought this, I haven't used it in my house, and I think it's because I don't like this color, but I'm not the painting type. I'm just not crafty that way, so I want to get rid of that. Then I want to get rid of this. It says cottage. See? Tag on it. Tag. it's time to retire the antique sign. I got this at an antique store. I did use it in my bedroom for what, 2 days? And then I took it down and put something else in its place. So it's time for this to go. In the Tuscan days, I used to love these on my wall or in displays. Whoops, they're in really good condition. And they've got cute little metal details right here. But these must go. I'm getting rid of this. I love this. Hobby Lobby, I use it usually in the springtime, but I'm tired of it. It must go. Farmer's Market, that's gonna go. This pantry sign, bought it, never even used it. And this Farmer's Market sign, all of them going. I must say I'm proud of myself. This is a really good start, just being able to throw these out and commit to it. This one, I must say I'm having trouble getting rid of, and you guys may say, Liz, it's nothing special. I know it's not, but it says family. And I've had this on the walls in my house so many years. This was the first year I took it down and didn't use it, but it's gotta go. I bought this cute little sign, never used it in my house. Still has the tag on it, and it says, life is better on the farm, the green fields established 1952. And it's like burlap. It's really cute actually, but never used it. I have this cute chalkboard. Look, it still has the tag on it. I think I used it all of once, and it says gather. I think I used it during the fall time. Have yet to use it, so it's gonna go. But it's cute. And I've got a sign that says theater. Haven't used this in years. Of this red mirror. And this, I got this at an antique store. It's a chalkboard, and I usually use this in the summertime because of the color or spring. But anyway, you can write stuff on here, and it's kind of chippy, and it's got chalk paint. This is gonna go. I haven't used this in forever, but you can see it used to be a cabinet, and the antique store just made it their own. You guys, I'm having horrible allergies, and my daughter came downstairs. She's like, Mom, your makeup's all over your face. And I went, no. She's like, you didn't notice when you were doing your video? I'm like, no, I was just trying to get it done. There's no way for me to edit the mascara right here out. So, oh my goodness, I apologize for that. Didn't even notice. I've got this cute sign. I have yet to use it in my house. So as cute as it is, this is one of those I might have to hold on to and think about it, but I'm gonna put it in the pile because I'm really trying to be good and show myself that I can get rid of these items. And then I've got a north, south, east, and west nautical piece. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm getting rid of this old Tuscan spoon. I don't know where the fork went, but it's missing. This was from Ross, $4.99 back in the day. And then I'm getting rid of this. This is fairly new. I used it in my kitchen, but I'm done with it. Well, shoot, maybe I should just have a garage sale and be done with it so I can get it out of my storage room. I'm gonna have to talk to hubby about this. I think I did pretty well on my first day of pulling stuff that I plan to get rid of. There's a lot more where that came from, and I haven't even touched the holiday or seasonal stuff. So I've got my work cut out for me, but I'm proud of myself for being able to let this stuff go. It's like when I was a little girl. I loved my Barbies and buying new clothes for them and doll houses and switching all that stuff out all the time. It's kind of like that. These are interchangeable pieces that I can use throughout the home. And if I get bored or we're on a budget or times are tough, you've got stuff to play with. You know what I mean? It's gotten a little ridiculous. I admit it. At least I'm admitting it. And I'm doing something about it. I'm being proactive. So there. Thanks for joining me today. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Love you guys.